Kuble pi baro kani day ka mathematics class 9 bat kadai chapter 1 bat bentangan peteng bian bat kenya kani ka jingkli ka balai jong kani ka exercise 1.5 jingkli ka ong simplify ka banangkong kani 2 to the power 2 by 3 into ni dot day into 2 to the power 1 by 5 hang ni ngi apply ya kani ka law of exponent kumbang i hang ni ki la ai kini ki ki law of exponent kumbani e to the power p into e to the power q ka base ka day a power pq lada day ka jo ka base but day into hang ni ni tho e to the power p plus q day banya plus ya ki power kumjo ro hang ni kamut uni day a 2 day base kamut hang ni ngi day ban ya plus ya kini ki power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5 solution ng thok ni kani kan sadai 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5 namar ngi pen kam da kani ka kalau e to the power p into e to the power q kadai a to the power p plus q nang ta 2 ni power hang ni 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5 dai ban ya plus kini ngi sim ya ka ni wat ya ka LCM 3 but 5 kadai 15 3 into 5 day 15 but hang ni 3 ngi day ban yo 15 menta day ban multiply do 5 3 into 5 day 15 sajrong root multiply do 5 2 into 5 kadai 10 plus new plus ngi bo plus 5 into 3 yo 15 sajrong root multiply do 3 yo 3 kamut ngin sayo 2 to the power 10 plus 3 day 13 by 15 tekani day ka answer kabaar kadai 1 by 3 to the power 3 new power 3 udai ha jong new 3 nangta whole thing to the power 7 takani kadon ka formula lada 1 by e to the power n dan kwa bantho e sajrong e mentau new n unsadai minus n kani ka lo kumud hang ni ngi tho 3 to the power new 3 unsakala dai kala long minus 3 power hang ni don biang 7 te habadai kumni r tili ki power kadai kum kani kallo e to the power m nang ta power n r tili ki power ni tho kumni e to the power m into n dai ban multiply kumni mn kemudian ni 3 kini power minus 3 multiply but 7 in sayo 3 to the power minus 21 kani dai answer kabalai 11 to the power 1 by 2 divide 11 to the power 1 by 4 hang ni ngi pedon kam daga ni lo e to the power p divide e to the power q ki jo ki base a hang ni 11 pq power kadai e to the power p minus q da ka baya minus ki power kamut hang ni 11 new p na jrong 1 by 2 minus new q spo 1 by 4 ta hang ni u2 by 4 LCM ni wat LCM ban ya minus kini 2 into 1 2 into 2 2 into 1 ka LCM day 4 kamut hang ni day 4 new 2 dan day ban yo 4 hang ni 2 into 2 day 4 sajrong ru multiply 2 ka day 1 into 2 2 kani la day lupa 4 kum kani ka LCM hang ni ngi tho direct new 1 tengin sayo hang ni 2 minus 1 day 1 by 4 taka answer ka day 11 to the power 1 by 4 but kani ka basaw 7 to the power 1 by 2 into 8 to the power 1 by 2 hang ni ngi i ba kini power day ka jo ngila ban pen kam da kani ka log abadai e to the power m into b to the power m new a b ki pair ki number 7 8 100 ki power pat ki dai ki jo m ni multiply e into b to power m hang ni mut 7 into 8 ni dai ban multiply power dai 1 by 2 7 to 8 ka dai 56 menang ta power 1 by 2 kublai shibun